This is the wall on which I will be installing the shelves. Tabitha, no. Quiet, please. Tabitha, quiet. This is the wall on which I'll be installing the shelf. I will need to take my measurements to ensure that when... This is the wall on which I'll be... So this is the wall I will be installing my shelf. So this is the wall on which I'll be installing the two shelves. I need to take a measurement to ensure that when this particular cabinet is opened, there is still room for the shelf to stay. Hi guys, it's great to have you back. This video is part of our kitchen renovation series, and if you've missed any of the videos, I suggest you check out the kitchen renovation playlist. I'm going to be installing a shelf to increase the storage capacity of our kitchen. The shelf that I'm installing today is from IKEA, and it comes in two different sizes. There's a 120cm by 30 and an 80cm by 30. So today I've decided to use a 120cm by 30 because the space I'm working with is only 60cm long. So that way I can cut this into two so that I can have two separate shelves. To attach the shelf to the wall, I will be using this nickel plated bracket. So I'll take my measurement. So this is a 120cm, and I'm going to just mark this right at the very middle. Let's get a square to join this together. So I'm going to use my circular saw to just cut that into two. I'm going to secure this with a clamp. This is the side that is cut into halves. There will be no need for me to sand this part because the bracket that I've got will definitely cover that off. Look at that. That's awesome. Now let's go and do the installation. I will be installing the shelves on this wall. I need to take measurements and also bear in mind that when this cabinet door is opened, it does not hit the shelf. I'm going to leave about 12 centimeters between this cabinet and the start of the shelf. And also bearing in mind that my shelf is 60 cm wide, so which still gives me enough room for this cabinet door to open properly. So I will be attaching the bracket to the shelf. This is a plasterboard wall. I will be using metal screw plug to attach the shelf to the wall.
You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. You showed me how to dare to love, love, love.
That's the installation done, guys. Thank you so much for being on this journey with us. If you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.